Dear students, in this video I will explain you how to download Python interpreter. For this you have to type in Google uh, search engine download Python. This is the official website of the Python www.python.org. It is taking some time to open this website. See, this is the icon of the Python program. This is the beautiful icon of the Python program. You see here it is showing download the latest version for Windows. You have to double click on it here to download this Python interpreter, and it also depends on which means you are using 64-bit or 32-bit Windows operating system. If you want to download 64-bit this Python interpreter, you have to click on Windows. Now you see it is showing some version here where you have to see, you have to check here. See this one. This is a download Windows x86 64 embedded zip file, and this is the 64-bit Python installer. You click here and it will download Python interpreter. But you see here it is showing the downloading process of the Python interpreter. I have already downloaded this interpreter. I have downloaded this interpreter in downloads folder. Sort by type here, then it will display. This is the Python interpreter. Now how to install it? You have to double click on this Python interpreter. Okay, it is taking some time to open this interpreter screen. See, this is the Python 3.8.3 64-bit setup. It is showing modify, repair, uninstall because I have already downloaded this Python interpreter in my computer. But this time I don't want to install this Python interpreter, but I will tell you what are the basic steps you have to follow to install Python interpreter. When you will install this Python interpreter, just first you download the Python interpreter, then you double click on it, then you have to click on the next, and at the end you have to set the path. You have to select that option, that checkbox, to add the Python interpreter path. Now I will show you. It's ideally, this is the ideally of the Python 3.8. This is the Python ideally screen. On the title bar it is showing Python 3.8.3 shell. This is the Python shell. Here we can run the Python programs or Python commands. Like here you type the 5 plus 6 11. This Python shell is also called as calculator. You can use as a calculator, means this Python shell. 6 into 5 30, 6 divided by 6, it is showing 1.0. This is output in the form of decimal number. This is this screen is called as Python shell. You can run the Python program in this shell, but you can't save this these commands in your hard disk. If you want to save these commands or a Python program in your hard disk, for this You have to create one new file, then click on the file menu, then click on new file. See, this is the Python script screen. Here you have to type the Python program. Okay, first Python program I am making here, print hello. This is the first Python program. The purpose of this print statement, it prints this output on the Python shell. Now you save it, save. Okay, this is the Python system folder, but you don't save your programs here. You have to save your program in another folder. Like here, I have made one folder for Python program, Python projects, class 11 program. I'll save the Python program here. First program. Whenever you save the Python program, you don't put space between two words. You use only a single word for a name of the Python file. First program, then click on save button. Now you see here what string is displaying on the title bar. First program.py. Py is the extension of Python script. Actually, we say Python program is a script. Means we don't use the name as a Python program, but we use a script for Python program. See, this is the address or location of the Python program where you have saved your Python script. Now you run it. How to run this script? You click on run, then click on run module. This term run module, I will explain you in coming videos what is the meaning of the module. Then click on run module. Now you see here it is showing the output. This is the first program you have created here. You have to follow whatever I have explained in this video. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of this line. It is showing restart. Restart means you have run your Python script. Now this is the address of the Python script where you have saved your Python script. One thing you have to remember, you don't save in the Python system folder. You save your Python programs or script in another folder. This is the output of the Python program. And in future we can open this program. Now if I close this one script or a program, if I want to open it again, then I have to click on file menu, then select open. Now you see here it is showing the default path, means this is the default folder, but you don't save your programs in this folder. I have saved this Python program in this folder, Python projects. This is the class 11 program. Then select this program, Python program. You see here whenever I am placing the mouse pointer on the program, it is showing Python source file. Source file means this is the source file where you have means saved your code. Okay, I have explained you how to open the Python program. See, this is the this is the Python program code. Again, if you want to edit it, you can edit it here. Like here, I am printing the sum of two numbers 4 plus 5. Then you have to save this changes. Then again click on run. See, this is the output. Okay, thank you for watching this video.